students, welcome back to the online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today we are going to start with the fourth part of the second chapter, that is operation on whole numbers. And the very fresh topic is properties of division of rational numbers. The very first property is closure property. Let us see what it says. Division is closed in rational number. If A and B are rational numbers and B is not equal to 0, again there is a condition, B should not be equal to 0, then A divided by B is also a rational number. Let us see with the help of an example. If A is equal to 3 by 8 and B is equal to minus 3 upon 4, then according to the property A divided by B is equal to 3 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 4. When I am going to remove the division sign, it will become multiplication and the numbers will be reciprocal. So it will become 3 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon minus 3. 3 cancel, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So what is left? Minus 1 upon 2. That is also a rational number. Let us come to another topic, that is commutative and associative property. Let us see what it says. In case of integers, when we are talking about integers and we are taking the value of A and B as integer, the commutative and associative property do not hold good for division of rational numbers. If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then according to the commutative property, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. But there is a condition, except when A is equal to B. When A is equal to B, then this condition does not follow. Second one, A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B in one bracket divided by C. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us come to another property, that is property of 1 and minus 1. What it says, for any rational number A, if there is a rational number A, then A divided by 1 is equal to A, and A divided by minus 1 is equal to minus A. Let us take an example. If A is equal to plus 4 upon 5, then A divided by 1 is equal to A according to the property. Now we are going to put the value of A. Plus 4 upon 5 divided by 1 is equal to plus 4 upon 5. Second case, A divided by minus 1 is equal to minus A, or 4 upon 5 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us come to the last property, that is division by itself. What it says, for any non-zero rational number A divided by A is equal to 1. If any number divided by a number itself, what is the answer? It will be 1. And A divided by minus A, negative of the same number, then the answer will be minus 1. Let us take an example. If A is equal to minus 3 upon 7, then A divided by A is equal to 1. This is the property. Now, so minus 3 upon 7 divided by minus 3 upon 7. When I am going to convert the division sign into multiplication, the numbers will be reciprocal. So minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon minus 3. Cancel. 7 cancel. Minus 3 cancel. What is left? 1 over here. Now another property, A divided by minus A is equal to minus 1. What is the value of A? Minus 3 upon 7 divided by minus sign outside the bracket, minus 3 upon 7, because already the minus sign is over here and the number is also negative. So minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 3. 7 7 cancel, 3 3 cancel. What is left? Minus 1. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, in the third video, I have sent you my lesson plan. I want you to complete it. And when I am going to upload my last video, along with that, I am going to send you the last exercise of the same chapter, that is exercise 2.4. So I want you to complete all the 4 exercises in your copy. Till then, be safe. Goodbye.